All right, I want you to see this. This is a. Just give me a little space. My God. Now, what's your name?
Matthew.
Are you drunk?
No.
Really? I would have sworn you are. All right, Matthew. You say your name is? Anybody call you just Matt? Or how about Chew?
Matt Chew.
Chew? You call him Chewy?
Matt Chew.
Chewy, huh? Well, Chewy, I want you to take this. No, I want you to take it. I mean, like, eat it. Take it. No, don't eat it. You believe me. You sure you're not the drunk? All right, I'm just making sure. Let me see this. But it is hard, right? Like your head. It is, other than being real, it's a real fake egg, right? Make sure it doesn't break, it doesn't collapse, it doesn't have hidden mirrors or smoke. Okay, I want you to look inside my bag. Look at the inside. Anything funny about the inside of my bag? I think there is, because that's not the inside, that's the outside. It's inside out. I want you to watch very carefully, okay? Because I'm going to place the egg inside the bag. You know why? It's called an egg bag. Watch very carefully. We'll place the egg inside the bag. Is it in there? It's in there, right? Now, you got the best seat. I'm going to take the egg like this. Hold on. And place it right there. Look inside the bag. Is it in there? Go ahead. Reach in. Pull it inside out. Gone. How many people think where the egg is? If you think you know, raise your hand.
No.
Tricks you and them. How you like those apples, huh? I want you to look inside the bag, peek in there. Egg's not in there, right? Of course it's not. I just told you, it's right there. No, you're looking in the wrong spot. It's not up there, it's right there. You see it?
No.
Egg's not in the bag, watch. It's right there. If I go like this and I take your rabbit, look inside.
Oh my God.
Oh boy, I'm glad you lost. We're gonna do this again. Where are you going? Did I? Did I?
Yeah.
Okay.
Freudian slip.
Yeah, Freudian slip. You know what that is? It's when you say something that you mean and you didn't mean to say it. You know, it's like one time I said to my girlfriend, I asked her to pass me something. What came out was, "Oh my God, I just want to kill you." That's a Freudian slip. No, I'm kidding. That never happened. No, but it might have. Who knows? I'm just trying to be nice to them in case they see her recording, you know. Okay, watch. We're going to do this slowly. Okay, we'll put the egg inside the bag. It's still in there. Is it? Bill? Bill? Is it in there? It's in there. Again, we're going to place it right there. Reach around in there. Feel around as it goes. Geez, elbow. All gone. Now, I want you got pinch your fingers, right? About on your other hand stick. All right, Chewy, if that's your real name. I want you to pinch here. Use your other pinchers. Pinch right there. Look inside. No egg? Of course it isn't. It's right there. No, you keep looking up there. I'm telling you, it's right here. See my fingers? Right there. Let go with this hand. Now you've seen how I caught it, right? That's the kind of reaction you want right there. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give him a round of applause. Now you get lost. You're bothering me anyways.